What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about the in-cab air conditioning filters, right? So I have a little time in between loads. I just got unloaded. And I have a 2024 Freightliner Cascadia, and it's about time. I can feel the air not as powerful when I have the AC on. That's just the way it works, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the two places. There's two places you need to go to you can, and if you have an air hose that's connected to your seat, which you should have, so that way you can blow all the dust out of your truck, you can clean it and you will see the difference. So let me show you the first place. This is in the cab. Let me show you the first place in the cab. So the first place, let's get up here, let me show you this. The first place is right here. There is a filter, because your blower motor is right behind this. Again, this is a 2024 Freightliner Cascadia. So you see this right here, you see the little sign that says pull. So you just pull it and it comes undone. And it's that simple. It doesn't take a lot. Watch. See? You don't have to be too rough on it. You could be gentle. And then that's it. It just comes off. And there's a filter right there. And my filter is needed some love. And so let me pull this thing out. Let's move that wire back. And there it is. Look at how dirty that is. That's the first place you go to clean it. And obviously, right, there's no cabin filter. I'm going to show you where the other filter's at. So hold on. Okay, so that's the first filter, right? So let's go to the next filter here. So there's the first one here. I have it right here. And we're going to blow it out. I'm going to show you that, right? So let's go. So the other filter is in the front of the truck. It's in the engine bay. So hold on. Let me show you here. Hold on. Let's get out here and I'll show you what you have to do. All right, I'm going to turn the angle here. Hold on. So you're just going to undo all the latches. Show you again. This is for a Freightliner Cascadia. Hold on here. I'm gonna put you guys down here. Hold on here. Hold on here. There you go. We got our category. Okay, there's that. And then so now that we have the hood open, so this is that's where the cabin filter is at. This is the passenger side. Okay, so it goes down, it comes out, and then that's your cabin filter. So those two filters, so you can replace this, but you can also just blow it out. And what I mean by that is, you take your air and you air it out until you replace it. So you have this one, and then you have this one. Look at this. You can't even see through it, right? When I get done with it, I'll show you the difference there. But I just have, so look, I have my air. Okay, so I clean, so look at the filter difference. You can see right through it. It still has a little dirt on it, and you should change this every now and then. But you should do this pretty frequently. I also blew out the air in the filter, and it's a lot different. I don't know if you can see, but anyways, now let's go install it back in, and we will have more airflow to our AC system. So there you go. Then you take your little cap, and I installed it back. There it is. That's installed. Okay, we installed the air cap filter that's in the engine, and let's go install the one that's in the truck here. So, all right, here we go. I'm gonna turn the camera. Okay, so here it is. Very simple. You see it? Just goes back in the way it came. Nothing complicated about it. That wire's in the way. So you just scoot it down. That's all it is to it. Simple deal. right? There you go. Double check, make sure that's all it's in. Then you just put this back in. It's so easy, I could do it with one hand. And there you have it, folks. The 2 air filters for your 2024 Freightliner Cascadia. And by the way, a lot of the Freightliners are the same way, but that's how you get the most out of your AC system. There it is. Tell me what you think. This is future Reuben, who is editing the video, and I just wanted to say this is just for informational purposes only. Like, follow, subscribe, share, all that, whatever, or comment. I want to hear your opinion about the whole thing. It's just a ways that you can save a little bit of money. You can do this yourself. It doesn't take any special tools, although the little air thing I have, that does not come included in trucks, so you might have to get that installed. I highly recommend that thing. You know, you just got to go find those and get those put in, or you can put in yourself. That's all up to you. But in terms of like being able to, like, all that stuff requires no tools. So it's designed so that way you can air that out. You should probably air it out once a month just to keep your air clean and to keep the flow being powerful. I let a little bit too much time go by, but I had some time between loads, and there it is. What do you think? Bye.